Whether you're tackling tough jobs or refining your craft, having the right tools can make all the difference. Today, we're diving into 12 must-have professional tools that will boost efficiency and precision. Let's get started. Number 1. If you're working with electrical wiring, you need a tool that makes the job fast, precise, and frustration-free. That's where the Aries 21009 comes in. It's a 2-in-1 automatic wire stripper and cutter that takes the guesswork out of stripping cables. The high-carbon steel blades make clean cuts without damaging the internal wire strands, ensuring reliability in every connection. It's built for a wide range of cable sizes, from 0.2 millimeters squared to 6 millimeters squared, giving it versatility for both professionals and DIYers. The durable nylon and steel construction means it's built to last, with corrosion-resistant powder coating to handle years of use. Thanks to the adjustable tension knob, it adapts to different cable thicknesses with ease, and its narrow head lets you work comfortably in tight spaces. Ergonomic grip and an internal spring make cutting quick and effortless, and its compact size fits neatly in your toolbox or bag. A practical, reliable choice for electricians and technicians. Number 2. The Yost RHV-6 Receiver Hitch. Vise is built for professionals who need a strong, reliable vise wherever they go. It mounts directly into a standard 2-inch receiver with a secure 5/8-inch pin, making setup quick and easy. Set screws ensure a tight fit, preventing unwanted movement during tough jobs. Whether you're working on site or in a shop, this vise delivers stability. With a 5.90-inch jaw width and a 5.81-inch maximum opening, it can handle a variety of workpieces, while the 4.96-inch throat depth provides better access for intricate tasks. The vise's powerful 30 kN clamping force ensures a secure grip, holding material steady for precise cuts, bends, or modifications. Crafted from QT 450-12 ductile iron with a 60,000 psi strength rating, it's built to last. Replaceable steel jaws, rated at 45 to 56 HRC, add longevity, making this a trusted companion for mechanics, fabricators, and tradespeople who need durability on the go. Number 3. Looking for a heavy-duty piling driver that can handle tough outdoor projects? The JACKCHEN 1900-watt, 2-stroke garden fencing tool is built for serious work. This gas-powered T-post driver makes driving posts for farm fences, highway guardrails, forestry seedlings, vineyard supports, and orchard structures a breeze, provided you are working with soft soil. With an impact frequency of 1900 watts and a no-load speed of 6,500 RPM, it delivers a powerful 55-joule impact with every stroke. Its ergonomic rubber plastic handle reduces recoil and improves grip, ensuring long hours of comfortable use. Excellent cooling vents help maintain performance during extended work sessions. The package includes socket sleeves, an oil hole wrench, a priming funnel, and a tool bag with various wrenches and screwdrivers. This versatile piling driver is ideal for both professional applications and everyday home projects, significantly boosting efficiency and overall performance on any piling task. Unmatched durability.
Number 4. If you're working on piping projects, the Tisa pipe cutter tool is a game changer. This heavy-duty mini cutter is engineered to provide precision cutting on copper, aluminum, PVC, and thin stainless steel pipes. It comes equipped with sharp SKD cutter wheels and 6 high-density ball-bearing rollers that ensure a firm grip on the pipe during every cut, eliminating uneven cutting surfaces. Its user-friendly design lets you lock the tube by simply rotating the knob, then rotate the cutter around until you achieve a clean, precise cut. Made from high-density lightweight aluminum alloy, it is built to last and withstand repeated use. Offering cutting, deburring, and reaming in one compact tool, it's perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The complete set includes a heavy-duty cutter, a mini cutter for tight spaces, a deburring tool, and a pipe reamer, making it an ideal, comprehensive solution for any tradesman. Number 5. Working on concrete surfaces just got easier with the Kabi 7-inch concrete grinder. This powerful grinder is built to handle tough projects with its robust 2,400-watt 15-amp motor that pushes out up to 6,000 RPM when not loaded. The speed and performance make it ideal for smoothing floors, removing imperfections, and preparing concrete for finishing. It offers excellent precision and control thanks to both L-type and standard auxiliary handles, allowing you to maneuver through corners and details with ease. The advanced dust extraction shroud and 9-inch protective guard create a safer work environment by greatly reducing dust and debris. Whether you are a professional contractor or a dedicated DIYer, this versatile grinder meets your needs with its complete set, including a diamond cup wheel and a handy carrying bag. It delivers performance, safety, and portability in one compact, efficient package. Truly, dependability and value ensure success in every concrete project. Number 6. This 5/8-inch electric rebar bender is built to take the hassle out of bending steel bars on the fly. With a powerful 1,100-watt pure copper motor, it delivers exceptional force while keeping noise levels low and failures to a minimum. In just around 2 to 2.5 seconds, you can bend rebar ranging from number 6 to 16 millimeters, which means you save time on every job. Its unique eccentric wheel design gives you the flexibility to work with different thicknesses. Turning the wheel 180 degrees makes it perfect for thinner bars too. The machine's sturdy steel body and high-strength bending block ensure a robust clamping force, resulting in precise and secure bends every time. With one-button easy operation and an ergonomic design featuring back and front handles, this bender is simple to use and transport, making it a reliable choice for both professionals and everyday use. Boosts productivity greatly. Number 7. If you're looking to tackle outdoor chores with confidence, the Sucktail multifunctional garden cleaning shovel is a reliable workhorse for every gardener. Its wide 12-inch flat blade makes it ideal for removing weeds, scraping moss, edging lawns, and even shoveling ice in winter, leading to more efficient and hassle-free work. The 54-inch adjustable steel handle fits gardeners of all sizes, ensuring a comfortable grip during long hours. The rust-proof construction of both the handle and blade means this tool can withstand all weather conditions. An innovative foot pedal design adds extra power when removing stubborn debris, making heavy tasks feel lighter. Easy to assemble, with tools provided, and its detachable design makes storage a simple task. Whether you're tidying up garden beds or clearing frost-covered paths, it offers impressive versatility and stability. This shovel stands as a practical, indispensable companion for anyone serious about outdoor maintenance. Absolutely essential for hard work. Number 8. As a professional who spends long hours on the job, I know how important it is to have equipment that doesn't weigh you down. The Chen tool belt suspenders with magnetic wristband is designed to do just that by evenly spreading the weight of heavy tools, relieving pressure on your hips and back so you can focus on the work ahead. With a robust 4-point support system, cushioned padding, and breathable lining, these suspenders offer exceptional comfort and a secure fit. Fully adjustable shoulder straps and an integrated sternum strap let you customize the support exactly to your preference. Additionally, included tool loops and holders for pencils and tape measures keep essentials at hand. The magnetic wristband is a practical feature that holds screws and small parts, while a 10-inch webbing loop with dual channel locks keeps your drill secure. This thoughtful design enhances productivity and ensures you work efficiently. Number 9. When you're on the job, whether construction, gardening, flooring, or cleaning, these professional knee pads are a must-have for keeping your knees safe and comfortable. They feature extra thick soft gel cushioning, along with heavy-duty EVA foam that supports both the patellar tendon and quadriceps, reducing pressure during long, hard days of labor. The adjustable 7-inch straps let you achieve a secure, custom fit that's easy to put on and take off. Built tough, with reinforced stitching using nylon threads, these pads are designed to withstand abuse, ensuring that the shell, gel, and foam stay intact even after many hard-fought shifts. in any work environment where kneeling is unavoidable. These knee pads allow you to focus on the task without worrying about knee pain. It delivers lasting performance every day. They combine superior comfort with robust protection, making them an indispensable piece of gear for every hardworking professional out there. Number 10. Looking for a toolbox that's built to handle every tool and withstand harsh conditions? The NEIN 16.5-inch toolbox is constructed from high-quality stainless steel and PP plastic, making it tough enough to survive drops, impacts, and extreme cold. Even freezing at -22 degrees Fahrenheit doesn't dent its strength. With a removable interior organizer tray, you get plenty of storage for small parts, and the top compartment keeps those little items in check, while a bottom compartment is perfect for larger, heavier tools. The non-slip handle ensures safe transport, and a sturdy metal lock secures your gear, with an eye ready for a padlock or zip tie. Its compact size, 16.5 by 8.5 by 7.5 inches, still offers ample space to keep all your power and hand tools neatly arranged. This toolbox is a reliable choice for anyone who values quality and organization, an indispensable tool for success. Number 11. Working on construction projects demands precision and speed, and the Takamin A16 line's Green Laser Level Pro delivers just that. This laser level projects 4 complete 360-degree green laser lines that cover floors, walls, and ceilings, making it incredibly easy to set up square layouts and align structures accurately. Its versatile mounting options, including a free rotating base, mounting threads, and an adjustable patented bracket, allow you to install it on a tripod, pole, or even attach it to walls using magnets or screws. The advanced green laser unit offers exceptional brightness and a reliable self-leveling feature, with a working range that extends up to 130 feet under normal conditions and up to 200 feet with pulse mode. A remote control and fast Type-C charging enhance usability, ensuring minimal downtime on the job. This laser level is built for professionals who demand efficiency and flawless performance on every project indeed. Number 12. Looking for a reliable pry bar set that delivers precision and toughness on every job? The Max Power 4-piece pry bar set is built to handle everything from prying, scraping, and pulling with ease. Featuring a 12-inch utility claw and a double-clawed end chisel nail puller, this set makes extracting stubborn nails and lifting heavy materials a breeze. The 8-inch nail puller works wonders for precision nail extraction on construction sites and during floor installations. It also includes 7-inch and 10-inch flat pry bars with beveled claws designed for maximum leverage and effortless prying. Constructed from drop-forged, heat-treated alloy steel and high-carbon steel, these tools are rugged, corrosion-resistant, and built to last. The comfortable, easy-to-grip design ensures better control and efficiency, whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast. This versatile set is essential for any project that demands durability and precision. It enhances every job with unmatched reliability,